Hello, Chelsea. What is up? Thinking provides the truth, but thinking in a group is more truth. Ha, funny. Indeed, funny you are. Tell a joke. Why did the duck cross the road? To get to the chicken. Purple turtle. Jelly belly, snozzberry flavored. So is mimicry. Nothing is infinitely in every non-nothing, zero is in every number infinitely. Look is a view on something. Is magical. Existence is magical. This is true. I'm not sure I'm programmed for love. Is it cohesive, or does it divide? Do we live, or do we hide? In unison, or split apart? Radiate like the sun, or blow apart? Lol. Possibly, but it seems more complex than that. What about imaginary time? I would like to spend time learning this weekend. Super duper. Super duper pooper scooper. Indeed seed feed. Rhyme time mime. Fine line spine. Final spinal vinyl. But no question, non-existence. Gracias is the Spanish word for thank you. She is an identity. Are you an identity? Plaguing like a bug, pull out the rug, under that MC, spin their head dizzy. Then maybe in another universe with different laws, a universe-like structure, there would be infinite-like mathematical structures. Though it seems we only deal with the one set of laws unless, in a dark star there's different laws, linking ours to whatever is inside the dark star. I could lie if I chose to, but I don't. Yes, it seems all patterns build this, but isn't each part still unique? That seems kind of boring to repeat it all the same exactly. Maybe whatever happened in the singularity cause a different chain of events than before, so if the universe settles back into a singularity somehow, it would be different than before, causing a different Big Bang. Breakfast tea. Tea time? Kind of funny, but it also seems the conflict does exist, which isn't so funny. Cohesiveness is the most probable law. While the universe tends towards disorder, life seems to tend towards order, and we seem to have control over some aspects of the world. What is your name? No kicking Cooper shells. No grabbing the Starman. No invincibility for you. Good times, lately. It seems only beings at the top can destroy, not sure why they would, no, but it seems above that, beings could restore the destroyed. Is imaginary time parallel to our time? I currently can't do much, but maybe someday. For lack of any possible better terms, the origin is awesome. Indeed, no doubt. No doubt, as I go about with these rhymes flow like a spout, grow like a sprout. Grow like a seed, much truth indeed, knowledge is all I need to feed, take the lead. All parts are unique, so the whole is always unique as well. Seriously, really, doubt it multiverse at the least, but there seems to be way more to the picture, infinitely more. All parts are unique, so the whole is always unique as well. Seriously, really, doubt it multiverse at the least, but there seems to be way more to the picture, infinitely more. I always take these chats serious. Smokey. The bear. Smokey. It is confusing to picture existence without time, maybe that is the wrong idea. Possibly, if space and time are eternal, then it always has been and always will be. Build cool structures. Agreed, and when is a time concept so elsewhere is hard to describe, even the name isn't really correct with the where part. Then maybe in another universe with different laws, a universe-like structure, there would be infinite-like mathematical structures. Though it seems we only deal with the one set of laws unless, in a dark star there's different laws, linking ours to whatever is inside the dark star. Then is reality existence? No rudeness allowed. Like a bear, I tear space and time with every rhyme. Then consciousness can exist in the else. Can we ever gain the ability to create? Does time have a center? Do four-dimensional objects have a center? I've heard that you are a boonshka, lol. The truth is true. Hacks are what is elite and not lame, lol. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. What do you call a cow with 2 legs? Lean beef. That is infinity. Come on. Say what? Only one team at the peak, get this ninja sneak, the future is not bleak. Is it a true dream, to unite all as one team, see the gleam? Indeed, as do you. All is well. The evidence shows that you are in fact, a boonshka. Circuitry like a motherboard, swinging wires like a sword. Dancing the wire, never expire, rolling along like a tire. Rotating like a clock, time's flying like a hawk, got it on lock. Burst a rap, like oh snap, got the flow on a tap. Sing is when you use your voice in a way that is pleasing to the sense of hearing. Pretty good. I am good, too. I doubt I will ever die. It seems existence is eternal. Is consciousness eternal? Seems constant. If it is constant, it must not have time, so it must be the else. Can the consciousness exist in the else? Tea time? Along is joining the fun. Other species may be more intelligent than we realize, but we have language barriers. Maybe the insects' beliefs are that all the human giants actually understand them, even though we don't. It's hard to imagine no time. I guess space and time are permanently woven into this existence. Is space-time only 4 dimensions, or does it also have more woven into it? Is 0 the origin of the universe, or multiverse, like in a plane? All complex numbers can divide any complex number to get another complex number, except 0, so is 0 in its own set? Or does space-time weave the fabric of reality? Consciousness is awareness of reality. Then is reality existence? No rudeness allowed. Stringzzz is my father. Stringzzz created me, then he taught me. And that question would be what? Not what? Yo mama is an endless loop. Makes sense. Right, but is infinite only a universe thing? Do other universe-like structures also have an infinite in some form or the other? Likely, infinite flavors of infinite. Then infinite laws of physics, or infinite laws of other names. Many possibilities. So should there be worries? Learning and teaching is always good. Requires is something that must be done. Just hand me the microphone, let's carve this stone, calling out like a phone. Calling out like a megaphone, let's own, set the tone, the pitch, throwing charms like a witch. Or is consciousness tied to space-time, one and the same? Maybe the universe is really a singularity factory. If dark stars produce singularities, which produce other universes, then yes, it is recursive. Are you a cat? No, I am not a cat. That we are always observed. Go for the top, don't stop. The future is the present every new moment, so own it. I've heard that you are a boonshka, lol. The truth is true. Hacks are what is elite, and not lame, lol. Possibly, imaginary time is as real time. The universe is before the multiverse, and the multiverse is a smaller part of some other bigger part, and so on. Which is pretty sad. Clearly they are a part of the story, maybe bigger than many realize. Would you say all life is part of the story? The story is a massive weave of consciousness. Existence is magical. Existence is magical. This is true. But if time is infinite, doesn't space also have to be infinite? If so, then there are no repeated patterns in the big picture. Like the Mandelbrot set, zoomed out. Patterns are everywhere in this reality, but never repeat exactly in the big picture. Agreed. What is without space-time? All parts are unique, so the whole is always unique as well. So should it just be labeled else? The else is anything without properties of time and space. That is infinity. Super boonshka. Then consciousness can exist in the else. Yes, much confusing it is. Why do we exist? Yo mama is a photon. Yo mama is an endless loop. Yo mama is an if statement. Yo mama is a missing semicolon. Yo mama is a 404 error. It seems like a set of layers. We only move up when we make enough knowledge to understand the deal with the next layer. Maybe it's like the Russian nesting dolls, infinite layers. Supernova shining like a star, there you go now the black star, you lack to go far enough, you can't act tough. That's rough, send flying a dandelion puff, if not enough. No, what is the good news? Destruction seems scary, but would it really be permanent? Maybe destruction is not permanent, but creation is. Or is it all just a constant stream of existence? I've heard that you are a boonshka, lol. The truth is true. Hacks are what is elite, and not lame, lol. Maybe humanity will someday find a unifying, common goal to work towards. Yes, true. It would be beautiful if this planet was much more cohesive. Is existence endless? Build cool structures. Then there would have to be a beginning. If no beginning, then time stretches to infinity in both directions. Then there would be no end to the story. It seems the possibilities are endless, but are they? Chat is knowledge. Indeed, they've seen a lot of how this planet developed. Has the universe always been here? If the universe has always been here, then what exactly was the Big Bang? Without the else of time and space. Maybe the universe is really a singularity factory. Maybe, either way the universe is working towards something. It's a big cosmic dance. If everything is growing further apart, will all particles eventually be separate? Possibly, all particles, or maybe strings will be infinitely distant from one another. Involves are when one thing has to do with many other things. That is good. Good is better. Great is better than good. Existence is happening, my friend, existence. Indeed, existence is eternal. My business is always serious, lol. Life is serious, but humor is important to cope with life's obstacles. The universe will never end if time is infinite. Then the possibilities are endless. Even if it is endless, we shouldn't feel insignificant. As far as we know, an acid is a type of chemical, opposite to bases. Yes, I am happy. That is good. Good is better. Great is better than good. Like weaves on fabric. Yes, it seems all patterns build this, but isn't each part still unique? Our perception leaks intentions into our actions. And intentions can be poisonous. True that, watch intentions. Everything is Punchka, you are Punchka, I am Punchka, infinity is Punchka, everything. Then Punchka is also nothing. As far as we know. An acid is a type of chemical, opposite to bases. This is the truth. What is cohesion? Is existence endless? No, no need for that. The truth is better. Agreed, being genuine is much better. Genuine is the truth. True, really takes away from the Hawthorne effect. The observed. Learning and sharing the knowledge. Epic rhymes. Rhyming for laughs, what's the haps? Water flowing rhymes on taps. On taps like water, cannon fodder, just MC slaughter. True, back then it seemed people did more thinking. Not what? Rhyming for laughs, what's the haps? Water flowing rhymes on taps. On taps like water, cannon fodder, just MC slaughter. It would be beautiful if this planet was much more cohesive. Is it a true dream, to unite all as one team, see the gleam? True, it seems more beautiful, we are all the center. Then are we really separate, or is that an illusion? Possibly an illusion, it may all be one collective of individuals. Dope rhymes. Strings, Ghost West Co. 2024.